How to make your Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner's battery interchangeable. Warning. I am not responsible for any damage done to your device. Proceed at your own risk. Let's begin. Things you'll need: a Dyson battery, an extra Dyson battery, double-sided Velcro, a measurement tool, scissors. Step 1. Unscrew the 3 screws. This one, and these 2. Step 2. Cut at least 15 centimeters of Velcro. Step 3. Pick your Dyson up and put it on its back. Grab a Dyson battery and push it gently into the socket. Grab the 15 centimeters of Velcro. Put one end under the battery. Place the other end on top of the battery. Now hold down firmly and wrap the other end over the Velcro. And that's how you make your Dyson's battery interchangeable. If you like my content, please consider liking and subscribing. And don't forget to turn on those notifications to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you for watching. Bye.